Las frutas en español. The name of fruits in Spanish vary from one country to another. However, Spanish-speaking people know that guineo is the same as plátano maduro, just with a different name. In today's lesson, you are going to learn the name of 20 fruits in Spanish. We are going to make a delicious fruit shake together. At the end of this lesson, remember to complete our quiz. Are you ready? Yes, you are. Let's do it. Guineo o plátano maduro, fresa, frambuesa, melocotón, piña, sandía, kiwi, aguacate, limón, naranja, uvas, manzana, toronja, pera, mango, papaya o lechosa, granada, arándanos, maracuyá o chinola, mora. Vamos a hacer un batido de frutas. Ingredientes: mango, arándanos, moras, leche. Vamos a repasar los ingredientes. Let's go over the ingredients. ¿Qué es esto? What is this? Yes, well done. ¿Y qué es esto? And what is this? Yes. ¿Qué es esto? Excelente. And last but not least, ¿qué es esto? Yes, you've done it. Quiz time. Write your answers in the comments section. Practice your reading by reading the questions and your answers aloud. I will check your answers and give you feedback. ¿Cuáles ingredientes tiene mi batido de frutas? Your answer should be: ¿Tu batido de frutas tiene? Write 4 ingredients. Question number 2. ¿Cuáles ingredientes prefieres para tu batido de frutas? Your answer should be, yo prefiero. Then write down the fruits that you like. Question number 3. Escribe el nombre de las frutas que recuerdes. Now is your time to write the name of all the fruits that you remember without looking back. If this lesson has been helpful to you, remember to subscribe, suscríbete, hit the bell icon, la campanita, like, me gusta, share, comparte, and comment, comenta. I'll see you next time. Nos vemos en una próxima.